feeling great today. Today, we will know and learn the sound of each letter in the alphabet and its corresponding word. Our activity today is called phonics. Phonics helps children to develop their writing and reading skills in their early years through phonemic awareness. It also teaches them the sound of each letter of the alphabet and its corresponding word to enhance their language and literacy skills. Through phonics, it helps them to figure out unfamiliar words and know how to read them properly. Phonics in early childhood education prepares the learners to be competent readers and writers. Kindergarten, are you ready? And now, let's start our activity today. A is for apple, apple, apple. B is for bear, bear, bear. C is for cat, cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fairy. G is for grass, grass. H is for honey, honey. I is for iguana, iguana. J is for jacket, jacket. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for mango. N is for nest. O is for octopus. P is for pillow. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T is for tree. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for window. X is for xylophone. Y is for yarn. Z is for zebra. Repeat from letter A to Z. A apple. B bear. C cat. D doll. E elephant. F fairy. G grass. H honey. Iguana. Jacket. Kite. Lion. Mango. Nest. Octopus. Pillow. Queen. Rabbit. Sun. Tree. Umbrella. Violin. Window. X. Xylophone. Yarn. And zebra. At ngayon naman, ating kakantahin ang abakada. Maaari niyo bang tanungin ang inyong katabi kung handa na ba sila? Kung handa na, pumalakpak nga ng 3. 1, 2, 3. Ayan, mukhang handang-handa na sa pagkanta. At ngayon, atin nang kakantahin ang abakada. 1, 2, 3, go! Aso, bahay, kandila, daga, edisi, gagamba, hari, ibon, lalapis, mama mairis, nanay, ngingingingiti, orasan, Papa Palda, radio, salamin, tatabo, uubas, walo, yate. Ngayon naman, ating babanggitin mula sa letrang A hanggang sa letrang Ya. Aso. Bahay. Kandila. Daga. Elsie. Gagamba. Hari. Ibon. Lapis. Mais. Nanay. Ngipin. Orasan. Palda. Radio. Salamin. Tabo. Ubas. Walo. Yate. Naway, sa ating kantahan at aralin ngayong araw, ay marami kayong natutunan. Hanggang sa muli mga bata, paalam!